Hello again, it's Noob, and here I have a Burg Wachter Magno. This is the 400E50, and I do like the 3 languages on the back to tell you it's double bolted and it's got a rust-proof locking mechanism, although that shackle looks a little bit corroded, but maybe the locking mechanism is all good. Definitely very pitted. I wonder if it's been used in like a, oh look at that grease, a saltwater area maybe, I'm not sure. Let's have a look at the key. You can see it's a 5-pin key. Operates a lot very nicely. The bitting is kind of that nice, what you want to see, sort of low cut, high cut, low cut, high cut. Yeah, it's a pretty reasonable bitting for the size of the lock. To pick this, I'm going to use bottle keyway tension and a short hook, just to see if we can't get this open. And we're just going to go in and see what's binding and what isn't. So 1, nothing there. Little click on 3. Little click on 1 there. What's this? I think that was 4. Gave me a lovely click. Just going back through. So let's try 5. Nothing. 4. 3 feels okay. 2 now. Little click. And 1's binding there. And just going back through. I can't feel what isn't picked. So 5, nothing. Oh, gave a little click at the back there. Maybe that was 4. Oh, and I just release the tension and we are open. So something's a bit sticky on the inside there, but yeah, not a bad little pick. Let's try and rake it actually. I reckon this is rakeable. Now I think I want to try and rake this lock with a triple peak rake. Just some very light jiggling, pulsing that tension. Going to pop this in like that and just see. I can't, like I said, do that nice pulsy, jiggly movement, and yes, we are open. So a little quicker raking this lock. And one of the reasons why this triple peak is probably so effective is that bitting. If I line up the rake with the lock like that, you'll see it's a pretty good approximation of the key bitting at a certain angle. So yeah, there you go. If you like this video, then please do give it a like. If you haven't subscribed, now's a great time to do so for more content like this. You can even hit that notification bell to be notified next when I upload something. If you have any comments, leave them below. I do read them all and reply to them as I can. Otherwise, stay safe, happy picking, and I'll see you all next time.